My dear friend, if you want to have a video in Galaxy without needing to be there, just see this video and don't forget to subscribe. From add overlay section, I add my videos and I made a copy from the original video, and from overlay section I put it under the other videos. Then I went to a cutout section, and from customize cutout, quick brush, I brushed the earth and removed the rest of the background of the video. As you see in the video, I choose the second video and then go to the blend section and set it on a slide. Then go to the mask section and set it on a split. You see a mark under the mask section. When you hit that button, you can reduce the opacity of the edge of the picture. Then I select the original video and then go to the adjust section, and from graph section I adjust the light and darkness of the video. I change the brightness and contrast and saturation and exposure as good as possible to make it natural. Then I select the second copy of my original video and go to the adjust section and change the adjust tool to make it more natural. Then I select the second video and go to the blend section and set it to hard. Then I go to the filters and set on mirror pink for the entire of the video. After that I choose Florida Paradise. Then go to the effects and video effects and choose Black Flash 2 for the entire of the video. The next effect I choose is Daily 2. And the last video effect I choose is the sun. and that's the result. If you like, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials, and share this tutorial with your friends. Goodbye until the next tutorial.